Hi, I'm Konrad from Concircle. We are a service provider for the manufacturing industry located in Vienna, and we have subsidiaries in Slovakia and Germany. So what we are doing, we are focused on SCM, manufacturing and enterprise operations services in the area of production and logistics. Today I want to introduce the pilot factory. This is a research facility which is run by the University of Technology Vienna. We are a partner there, and our task is to keep the IT infrastructure up and running. We are doing also their research projects which are focused on topics like scheduling and staff planning, quality management, extended warehouse management, IoT, analytics, and of course, manufacturing execution. The pilot factory itself is let's say, a real-world facility. So we have equipment there which can be found out there in the plants. We have CNC machines, we have robots, AGVs, warehouse area, assembly area, and all this is managed by our SAP backbone. So let me introduce some aspects of this pilot factory. So on the enterprise area, we are running an S4 system, and the main focus for us is here in the area of operation scheduling and staff planning. We are running there an own developed product that's called Connors ERP add-on. We are running an extended warehouse management system, and we are very much interested in sound quality management processes. But today I want to go into details in the manufacturing area. In the manufacturing area, one important aspect is Internet of Things. I don't speak about buzzwords here. So in this case, we really have to deal with a lot of different vendors. We have Bosch, we have Fanuc, we have different machine vendors. We have a lot of devices we are running in the pilot factory, and all this must be integrated and must be flexible, extensible. So what does it mean in detail? In detail, it means that SAP ME, as a manufacturing backbone, is controlling the complete production area, and we are able to present different use cases in the area of in-process quality surveillance, traceability, end-to-end from the raw part to the final product. We have intelligent user interfaces. We have a very good extension of SAP ME in the area of CNC program management and tool control, where we are connecting to a Walter tool management system. We are running an automated production cell, a milling cell, which I will introduce later. Lately, human-robot collaboration is a big topic. Also here we are doing prototypes, and also this I will show later. We are providing 3D simulation models to the operator in the assembly area. We are trying how to use augmented reality in production, and AGV and robot control is also an important topic. So let me jump into one use case. That's the automated production cell. So you see it here. It's a milling machine provided by AMCO. Material handling is done with ABB robots and AGVs. And I will show now a video which will demonstrate the process we are running. So in this case, we are producing a coin with our logo. Yes, here you see now the milling process. So the CNC program was transferred by SAP ME. So the machine knows automatically what to produce. after the jig was identified. We have here a dashboard showing the production process and the main key figures. After production, the robot equipped with a camera to identify the jig is moving the jig on the HEV. And now the HEV is controlled again, and next step is quality control. With a defined position, we are able to start the automated quality control process. In this case, we are running an Festo camera. And this camera is now checking the shape and the surface of the coin. And in this case, we have a good production part. This is taken over into the SAP ME port. And here the operator can add additional measurements. And this is a good example how automated quality control and manual quality control can be executed in one step. So this was a short introduction into the automated production style. Next use case I would like to shortly introduce is human-robot interaction in a shared workspace. So here we have an assembly of a 3D printer in different stations, and one station is equipped with an FANUC robot. So let me again show a short video. So here the HEV is bringing the housing of the 3D printer. The operator is checking the geometry in the 3D model. This is provided by SAP ME and realized with an engineering integration. Once the operator is comfortable with his assembly steps, he starts the guided assembly steps to execute. In this case, he has to do 2 steps. The robot is supporting him here, holding the parts in an ergonomical position. So the work instruction is telling the operator what's the next step. The parts are prepared. And once the second assembly step is done, the system tells the operator he has now to control the robot, to start the robot. So the robot is moving the part to the housing. Now the operator can mount the part to the housing, and after that, additional steps must be executed, and the robot is moving the housing so that everything is well accessible. So that's the second case I wanted to share with you today. Unfortunately, we do not have too much time, but what I also want to highlight here is that this complete process is well supported by intelligent user interfaces. You saw some of them, much more can be seen in Vienna. So I would be very glad to welcome you in Vienna to demonstrate the pilot factory, and I'm sure you can get here some very good inspiration for your own projects. Thank you very much for listening. I'm waiting now for your questions. Bye.